Welcome to the Flexi Holiday Club website. Today, we are going to show you how to make a reservation. We have already logged in. This is the home screen of the website. On the top right, you are going to click on Book Now. For this search, we are going to choose Hastings Hall and select the month of July. I would like to book for 2 adults and no children. Here, we are able to see the different dates and the approximate cost. For my stay, I am choosing 14th to the 17th of July, a 3-night stay, which will give us the approximate points and accommodation, or the approximate bonus break. If we are happy with our selection, we click on the Book Now tab. Here, we are able to view the details, the number of bedrooms, the exact points and accommodation, or the exact amount for the bonus break. For my stay, I would like just 1 room. Select Add to Booking, and on the right-hand side of the screen, we can verify our selection. Scroll to the end of the page and proceed to continue. On the next page, we are able to enhance our stay, and this is where we are able to add a value add-on. For my stay, I would like to add a La Vita spa package of my choice to my reservation. Add the number of treatments that I require. On the right-hand side of the screen, we can verify our selection. Scroll to the end of the page and proceed to continue. We are now able to view the full summary of the booking, which is the number of bedrooms, the maximum number of people sleeping, points, and accommodation levy required for the booking. The details of the primary guest will automatically populate. Please remember, a cell phone number is mandatory and must be inserted in. If we prefer to send a guest for this reservation, we can add the guest details in here. Scroll to the bottom of the page, where we are able to view the point summary, levy credit summary, and approve any top-up if required. We are able to view any amount payable for our reservation, and then proceed to checkout.